What's up YouTube, it's your boy King Kilo. Today I'm going to be cleaning my Nike Vomero 5s. As you can see, they're a little dirty here, but I got my solution and my brush and I'm ready to go. So stay tuned for the video and just watch the magic happen. Got my brush, got my Jason Mark solution. I'm about to wet the brush and get ready to start scrubbing. Already going. I got this side right here. Literally brand new. Well, let's clean the rest of the shoe. In the beginning of the video, I had stains on this side and this side, and they're completely gone. Thanks to my Jason Mark. And then as you can see, I haven't touched the left shoe yet. We still have the stains here. But as I begin to scrub, these will definitely go away. Let's see if I have any marks anywhere else that I can get off for you guys. Like here on the back. You know what I'm saying? I had a couple on the side, on the toe box, obviously. But yeah, we're gonna get all these stains out. Shoe's completely clean now. So, you know what I'm saying? Did my job. I didn't clean the bottom, obviously, because it don't really make sense too. But, you feel me? That Jason Mark do be working, y'all. So y'all go ahead and get that. Feel me? See the stains. We're gonna take them right out of there. So hold on. especially this one right here on this side. Y'all can see that. I'm gonna start with that one first. So you start to foam up, just back and forth. Let that foam do it for you. Now look, when you wipe it away, it's gone. Feel me? It's gone, y'all. So just quick, you know what I'm saying? Just maintenance on my shoes. I always like take a day out the week to go ahead and like clean them. You feel me? Because I know I could like, I wear a lot of my shoes, y'all. So every time I wear them, I try to like make sure they clean too at the same time. So we're looking at a finished product. I had scuff marks here and here, both gone. And I had scuff marks here and here as well, and they're both gone. I did have a little scrape on the back, but I took it off. It was like a scuff mark. But these things look good as new now. No scuff marks, no nothing. Everything's clean. You feel me? Make sure my shoes are always in good condition, for sure. And these are one of my favorite shoes too, so you know I gotta make sure these clean because I wear these a lot. But yeah, y'all saw this video, quick video, me cleaning these. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment. Shout out to Jason Mark for getting me right. Hey. If y'all don't got some, go get some. Just make sure all your shoes are clean and they stay clean. But that's it for today. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. King Kilo's out. Peace.
Silence.